Yo, 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 it's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, we got this puppy right here. This is the BASEMO 240-watt liquid silicone flat charging wire. This right here will cost you $19.98, and it also comes with a Type-C bracket kit, which basically allows you, basically is a phone stand, okay? And if this looks familiar, you might have seen this on your timeline on one of the social media, Facebook, TikTok, talking about, hey, this right here, somebody's messed it up, the price, and we're going to, and if you can get this now for $19 and a really good price and throw the old ones away, and they do all that crap. I don't care. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and unbox this and see if it's worth the 1989. Is it worth all the hype that they've been giving it? Little detail before we get into the Eagle Eye View. 240 watt fast charging, high power support, Type-C adapter, folding phone stand, standing phone charging, excellent heat dissipation, and zinc alloy shell, stylish and durable. And it's type C to C and supposed to be able to pump through this 240 watts. All right, guys, again, this is going to cost you $19 and I think it's 89 cents. All right, so without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. To the Eagle Eye View. This is how it came from Amazon. I got this from Amazon. So this is how we're gonna need no embossing knife. Actually, it came in a bigger box in a package. Alright. Here we go. Nothing else in here? No book or nothing in here. Okay, so we have this. This is the phone stand. That's pretty good. I like the way that sounds. I like the way that is. Alright, that sounds good. Feels, I mean, a little cheap. Feels a little cheap now, I ain't gonna lie to you. But we'll see. Okay. So USB-C, USB-C, and I guess you put this on your keychain. Now this is the start of the show. So I do like the fact that it came with something to tie it up with. It is connected. This feels pretty good, guys. It's pretty long as well. So USB-C to USB-C, 240 watts. I don't have enough of 240 watts, but I do have 100 watt. We'll see how that goes. And here you go. So that's basically it, guys. Get this and this, no book, and you get that. So we're gonna go ahead and charge a couple of things up with it, see if it can reach at least 100 watts. And then after that, give you my final thoughts and give this puppy all right. Great. Before we get to charging a couple of things up, we're gonna go ahead and see if it at least can get to 100 watts, because this is 240 watts. I want to make sure it can at least get to 100 watts. I don't have a wall charger that is 240 watts, so we're gonna try this, and we're gonna use this right here, guys. Okay. Now, before I use this, I want to use a couple of others. Sorry, I don't know why I plugged that up. I want to use a couple of others just to get a kind of a base. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this right here. We're going to use 3. We're going to use this one. This is about 100 watts, if I'm not mistaken. And we're going to go ahead and put it in the in and out. And let's see what it does. So we got 91.09 watts. All right, so that's pretty decent. And we're going to use this one right here. So we'll use those two. This is a 240 watt as well. Something I had for a while, and that's the name of it right there. We're going to see what it's at. So we got 91.56 or 49. So that's pretty good. So again, 200 watts. Sorry guys, this one fell on the floor. This one was a 100 watts. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this one is. So this got up to about 89.79.49. So I don't know if that is it's gonna go up to 240 watts. Let's try one more time with one more thing. One more. Got this one right here. That's even going up to 91.45 watts. So I don't think this is, I don't think this is 240 watts. I don't think it is. Try it one more time. Then we're going to go ahead and go charge up some stuff. '89 stops right there every time. So I don't think it's 250 watts, guys. All right. Just to let you know, we're going to be using this, but you have the screen and you have the where the camera's at. So you have to line it up with what that says. You don't want to do it this way because it can't fit that way. You want to fit that way. Okay, guys? You want to follow what that says right there. All right, let's go ahead and charge some stuff up. We'll go ahead and charge up the my Pixel, I think Pixel Pro. I think this is the 8. So you have charging rapidly. Charging rapidly. All right, so let's go ahead and see if this comes up. There you go. Let's see if it changes. There you go. It changes, guys, right there. That means it's fast charging right there. So that's pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, move this out the way. We'll go ahead and put this on so we can see if the stand works. Plug it up. Put it in the stand. There it goes. It says charging rapidly. All right, cool. Move this out the way. So we're going to try to see if we can get it to stand up. So there you go. So it does work. I mean, this is kind of soft, but as you see, it's standing up. We do it this way. All right. So let's go ahead and get to the main view. back to give the BASEMO 240 liquid silicon flat wire with C2C with a phone stand a grade, guys. And before I give it my grade, I want to thank y'all because I know the middle part of this was kind of long, but I wanted you to see, what it looked like when you charged it up and how much, power it was delivering through this. Okay, guys, I'm going to give this a C. I'm going to give this a C. The reason why, because I don't think this is 240. I think that this is about 100 watt or even lower. Because as you saw, it got up to what 89.45 or so, where everything else got up to 91. So I don't think this is 240 watt. Okay, so because I don't think it is, and really I can't prove it, but I have a suspicion that it's only about 100 watt, that I'm going to give it a C. I don't have a 240 watt brick. I don't even have a 200 watt brick. I don't have nothing right now that I can charge up that will show, a battery pack that will show 200 and some odd watts. Okay, guys, so I'm just letting you know that I'm going to give this puppy a C. Now, what I would say, get something like this if you're looking for a 240 watt charging cable. This is a 240 watt charging cable, and this is, I can't pronounce the name, but this is the PHIXERO. Again, the PHIXERO. And this is a 200 and 240 watt charging cable. Okay, guys, you saw it got up to a 91 point something, so it'll go above that if I had the right wall plug, or if the battery pack could take a higher charge. Okay, guys, so hey, before we go, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. Say that one more time, please. Like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my current and new and current subscribers for rocking with the channel yet again. This is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Ted. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing channel. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit the notification bell icon wherever it is on the screen so you can be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. I got more videos coming soon. So see you later. Peace.